Alright, so this is my homemade CNC machine or 3D printer. I have my Arduino board down here running it. I have these two chips I got out of a copier, the Xerox machine. The same thing I got this whole housing out of. My power supply is a computer power supply. That is those are the ratings on it. This is my power supply to control my separate stepper motor, because one of them draws 3 volts, the other one is 12 volts. So I need that my separate variable power supply. These were my past stepper controllers that I couldn't get to work. I had them, but they were working for a little while, then for some reason they stopped. This is my main on-off switch over here. Alright, so the first stepper is right here. This would be the X stepper. It's over here driving a belt. This belt always comes off. I don't have it aligned right. But this part right here is from a printer. I have successfully gotten both axes to move, but not at the same time, or to the point where I can just type in a coordinate and it'll send both of them to it. But the second stepper is down under here. Right there. That is the stepper. This is a micro stepper. It takes it's 5,000 steps to get this thing all the way across from end to end. And it is 500 steps to get this one. So there is much less resolution on this one. But I haven't had much luck with it. It's pretty much stopped getting any further. I've been working on it so far for probably about 2 years. At first, I didn't have this board at all. I had none of these. I was using these controllers and only this power supply. I didn't have the second power supply. But that didn't end up working, so I ended up needing to just forget about using these. I ended up desoldering these off of the copier. These are not actual stepper controllers. These are just like transistor arrays, basically. So the Arduino should be like 8 wires going to it. Yeah, 8 wires going to that board, so it takes up way more space than I was hoping. Kind of disappointed about that, because I'm not going to have much for other data, and to have anything. If I have a Z-axis on this, I don't even know how I'm going to do that, because I don't have any more stepper motors, and I only have this ribbon cable going to it for me to like carry data. There are only 2 wires going to it now, but I'm hoping I may eventually get it to work, but maybe not. Sadly, I know I won't be able to do any kind of really a CNC thing unless I just like find a Dremel and attach it to it. I won't be able. There's no way I'll be able to attach a router to this. It'll just shake around way too much. So I won't be able to do any carving through wood or anything, but I might be able to do some kind of 3D printing if I can attach a hot glue gun to it or something. Not sure, but it kind of works now at least.